21 CFR Part 111, Subpart H, Requirements for the Master Manufacturing Record. Presented by Learn GMP Incorporated in collaboration with Technical Training and Consultation Service LLC. Content of presentation. Introduction. Purpose of the Master Manufacturing Record. Requirements for the Master Manufacturing Record. Reviewing and approving the MMR. Responsibilities under Subpart H. Importance of Subpart H. Introduction. Subpart H of 21 CFR Part 111 establishes the requirements for creating and using a Master Manufacturing Record, MMR. The MMR is a detailed and written set of instructions that outlines the process for manufacturing, packaging, and labeling dietary supplements. It is used to ensure consistency, quality, and compliance with specifications across every batch produced. Purpose of the Master Manufacturing Record, Section 111.205. The MMR ensures that dietary supplements are manufactured consistently and according to established specifications, current good manufacturing practices, CGMPs, regulatory requirements for safety and quality. Requirements for the Master Manufacturing Record, Section 111.210. The MMR must include the following: general information, name and strength of the dietary supplement, a unique product code or identifier, intended batch size or amount to be produced, list of components, all ingredients, dietary and non-dietary components, and their weights/quantities per batch, specifications for each component, including identity, purity, strength, and composition. Requirements for the Master Manufacturing Record, Section 111.210. Equipment requirements. Identification of equipment and utensils to be used during manufacturing. Manufacturing instructions. Detailed steps for manufacturing including weighing, measuring, and blending components. Environmental conditions required during manufacturing, e.g., temperature, humidity. Specific procedures for each step in the process. In-process controls. Instructions for monitoring critical parameters and in-process testing to ensure that specifications are met at various stages of production. Requirements for the Master Manufacturing Record, Section 111.210. Packaging and labeling instructions. Specifications for packaging materials and containers. Labeling requirements to ensure accuracy and compliance with regulatory standards. Expected yield. Theoretical yield for the batch at each stage of manufacturing. Procedures to investigate and document any discrepancies between actual and expected yields. Corrective actions. Instructions for addressing deviations from specifications or unexpected occurrences during manufacturing. Reviewing and approving the MMR, Section 111.205C. The MMR must be reviewed and approved by the Quality Control QC unit before use. Any changes to the MMR must also be approved by the QC unit to ensure compliance. Responsibilities under Subpart H. Develop the MMR. Create a written master manufacturing record for each unique dietary supplement formulation and batch size. Review and approve. Have the QC unit review and approve the MMR before production begins. Update and maintain. Revise the MMR as needed to reflect any changes in formulations, processes, or regulatory requirements. Importance of Subpart H. Consistency. Ensures that every batch of dietary supplements is manufactured using the same procedures, producing consistent quality. Quality assurance. Establishes a framework to meet specifications for identity, purity, strength, and composition. Regulatory compliance. Helps manufacturers comply with FDA CGMP regulations and prevents enforcement actions. Documentation. Provides a written record of the manufacturing process, useful for audits, inspections, and investigations. Thanks for watching our channel. Feel free to reach us at contact@learngmp.com for any training and consultation requirements.